Okay,
Galing, ah.
alright. Abangan
Oo.
natin. Alam mo, isa lang na sinabi ko rin, nag-ano ko, no? And this is about your favorite team, Homer. Sabi ko, alam mo, ang lahat ng import ngayon, ang haba. Parang 16 pataas, 7 footer.
Yes, yes.
Si Hinebra lang ang maliit. Because of the loyalty of Hinebra and the greatness of
Ako.
Justin Brownlee, could this be, masusubukan ba ang pagiging loyal or yung grit o yung puso lang o kailangan na rin humaba ng Hinebra because of ito yung uso
Nako.
ngayon. Baka mahirapan ng
Sayang.
Hinebra.
Well,
Sayang yung
Yun ang
C-stat
tanong.
talaga dyan eh. Sayang yung
with
C-stat
six
talaga dyan.
with six
Mm.
championships, Pao, Justin Brownlee will get as much gravitas as he wants diyan sa Hinebra. I think it's a job that he has to lose. Hindi yun natanggalin siya. It would be a job what he would say na, hindi na ako, ayoko na. Because, like I said, alam na niya sistema ni Team Cone, alam na niya yung personnel, alam na niya lahat, ang officiating, how it's being called sa PBA. So, he's still a very big asset